pricing question where we are going to do the functional analysis of both the transactions between the associated enterprise and the non-AE, AE and non-AE. Functional analysis going to be done, and then adjustment to the arm's length price will be done in this problem. Let me read out the question. Kio Japan and AB Ltd are an Indian company or associated enterprises. So Kio Japan and AB Ltd are associated enterprises. So therefore transfer pricing will apply. AB Ltd manufactures cell phones and sells them to Kio Japan and Geel, a company which is based at Beijing. So they are making two transactions. They are selling to holding company as well, associated enterprise, and they are also selling to the non-AE as well. During the year, AB Ltd supplied 250,000 cellular phones to Kio Japan at a price of 3,000 per unit and 35,000 units to Geel at a price of 4,800 per unit. The transactions of AB Ltd with Kio and Geel are comparable subject to the following additions. I will stop here. Let me look into the fact of the question. Let's have a look of the question. Let's say AB Ltd is the assessee. What they do? They sell to Kio Japan. They also sell to Geel in China. Both are comparable transaction. What is the difference here? Here the price is 3,000 per unit. How many units? 250,000 units given in the problem. I'll write 250,000 units. Whereas Geel China, it is sold at 4,800 per unit. Straight away we will come to conclusion that it is not at both. This is not at arm's length. But there are some functional differences which is given in the problem. I will read it now. Sales to Kio on FOB basis, whereas Geel is on CIF basis. So first functional difference, so I will adjust the price. Freight adjustment 700 per unit given in the problem. So freight here FOB, here CIF adjusted. The next, this will come with a free warranty for 2 years, whereas here there is no warranty. So how much is that difference? So warranty cost 500 per unit, again given in the problem. This is a functional difference between this transaction. And for Geel, they have given a volume discount, whereas here there is no volume discount. So volume discount 200 per unit given. 4,800 minus 700 minus 500 minus 200. These transactions are not here in Japan. This is an AE. So 4,800 minus 700 minus 500 minus 200 is 3,400 per unit. Now this and this are comparable. So what's happening? How much is the difference now? Adjustment to be made. 400 rupees per unit. This is rupees. 400 per. How many units? 250,000 units. So difference in ALP 3,400 minus 3,400 per unit. Number of units 250,000. Difference in ALP, this multiplied by this 10 crore. That's the answer. Listen, here straight simple problem. Please understand what we have done. This and this are AE. Whether we have to test whether this transaction is at arm's length. When we do that, we have a comparison. That comparison price has got some functional differences. We have made the adjustment towards the functional differences and arrive at the comparable uncontrolled price at 3,400 rupees per unit, whereas they have sold at 3,000 per unit. So the difference is 400 per unit. Number of units during the year is 2,50,000. So difference in ALP is 10 crore. 4 or 5 marks question. Similar question can be asked. They may even add some of the adjustments here. In this case, few adjustments have been given, but sometimes the adjustment can also be given on the AE side as well. But please be careful. Practice this problem. Important examination question.